Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a foundation review. It's the Morphe Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation. Okay, let's get it crack-a-lackin'. I got two, okay, plus a brush, okay. The first one I got is in Rich 26N and the second one I got is a Rich 24W, okay. Y'all see some differences, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Okay, so now my face is primed and I did some with my brows. So let's go ahead and swatch this. I'm gonna swatch Rich 26N. You might be thinking, oh, okay, you kind of see it, like this might be something. It might do a little something, but let me show you. Right, here it is. That's the color. That is the true freaking color, okay? All right, even closer. Boom, you see it now. It does say after 1 week you see skin radiance, skin hydration, and your skin barrier function will improve within a week. So we're gonna see. Okay, now this one looks like it might be. It looks, you know, like if it oxidizes, it look exactly like me. And this also low-key looks like the Fenty foundation, the color. Mine is in 410, so let's swatch this. I'm gonna put it here. There we go. See, it's still too dark for me. It's still too dark, but I think I can work with that a lot better than the first one, which was 26N. This one is 20, the lighter one is 24W. Okay, so I'm gonna work with that one right here. See, this one's gonna be for my concealer and this one's gonna be for the foundation. And I have to be careful because I don't want any of this on my shirt, so I'm gonna have to do this. Okay. And when it comes to my hyperpigmentation, I like to stipple it in. Oh my God. You think that's gonna work? I mean, I've been working miracles lately. I will say I do like this brush. Like it really, I thought it would take a good minute for me to apply this foundation, but really it's not. So far so good. I like this. It ain't the right shade, but I think I can make it work. But I do like this brush. I ain't gonna hold you. And I like that it doesn't hold the foundation. Like it's on my face. And I also make sure to get the neck. So far, so good. Like, yeah. Now, I honestly think this might be for somebody who doesn't like to put on a whole lot of makeup. Because it gives like a medium light consistency, a medium light coverage. Like I used a little amount and I thought it was a little too much. But it turns out I needed that amount for my hyperpigmentation. Yeah. But I like this brush though. Okay, so now it looks like this. Here's the before. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this makeup on to see how this is going to react with the rest of my makeup. So I'm going to use the Hourglass Concealer in color Dune 7.5. And by the looks of it, you see the foundation, you see my chest compared to the makeup, I need a good amount of concealer. So now I'm going to just fan that, let that sit a little bit. So while I'm letting that sit for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and use my mascara. This is by KVD, and this is the full sleeve mascara. And I forgot to put on a little bit of powder on my lids because I'm not going to add any eyeshadow. So I probably should have did that, but I'm going to go ahead and do it now. So this is my Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch powder in Canufa, and it also comes with a mirror. And I'm going to just use that part and just dab it in there. Wow, I like how precise this is. Like, it gets to where you want to get it. Like, you still see the highlight in my face, but it blends in amazingly. Okay, and still have that little highlight right there. Okay, all right. Since I'm not wearing any falsies today, that is powdering what I got going on. So again, I'm going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch setting powder in Canoofle, and this time I'm going to use the big part. Alrighty, like everything is turning the way I like it to be. And it's really eyeshadow, but this is the ColourPop Statement Piece, and I'm going to use the color Chainmail, which is this color right here. Ooh, no, it's this color right here, okay? Okay, for the lips, I'm not going to do too much. I'm going to go ahead and use my In Beauty Lip Oil. That's a glaze. And this is in color Cinnamon Bun, and it smells delicious. Okay, so here's the makeup look. Now, pros and cons of this foundation. It did crack a little bit, okay? It did crack, but overall, it looks good. Second of all, the second con, it is a little watery. I don't like watery foundations. I don't like liquidy, watery foundations. I just can't. Another con, I think this would be best for someone who doesn't like full coverage. I feel that this is light to medium coverage. It is buildable, but you're gonna have to use a good amount, okay? So that's why I said light to medium coverage. Another con, I honestly don't know how long this is gonna last. I don't think it has good longevity. Like, it might last a good 3, maybe 4 hours if you're lucky. I don't know. That's just how I feel. I don't feel like it's gonna be, you know, that much longer, especially if you have oily combination skin. Okay, now pros. Everything looks good. It went well with everything except the powder. Oh, that's another one. Another pro, this costs $20. This foundation is $20 and I'm thrilled about that. Like, that's nice. Okay. Oh, another con, I didn't get the right shade, but that's not on them, that's on me. Another pro, I think for the price it's pretty good. It's a pretty good foundation. I think it would be best if you like that no makeup look or that clean girl makeup look aesthetic. I think this would be amazing for you. But if you have hyperpigmentation and manchas or dark spots or whatever, I think you might want to use a little bit more, or use like a concealer or some kind of spot coloring, like an orange or something like that. If y'all still do that, I really don't. I stopped doing that years ago. But yeah, other than that, I would rate this an 8.5 out of 10 because it's pretty good. And 8 out of half is pretty good. Okay, so yeah, and that's why I say it's watery, because you know, hydration, extended hydration. This would be great if you have dry skin. Okay, so this would be perfect for you. All right, but I have an oily combination skin and it's great for me. I just had a little cracking right there. It's just not that great with powders. That's why I gave it an 8.5 out of 10. But other than that, yeah, I'm done with this. I am done with the makeup review. I just did a makeup review on the Morphe Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation. And the shade that I used was Rich 24W, which is warm. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the end of this video. And yeah, I will link this down in the description box below if you're interested. Until y'all see me again. Bye. Don't forget to watch the end.